Welcome to my Pilates session. I record this live. This time, 15 minutes with the small weighted balls. So standing nice and tall, rolling those shoulders back, taking a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. So we're just going to bring the arms up, one in front and one to the side. So one in front and one to the side. Then we're going to bring the arms to here. So bring them out to the side. We're going to lift them up, bring them together, bring them back down, bring the elbows down, draw it down to the waist. So lift up, touch the balls together, bring the elbows down to the waist. Keeping the belly button pulled in, knees soft. Last one. But this time we're going to go back up again. We keep the left one where it is, and we just come down with the right one. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring this one up, keep it up there, and we're going to bring the other one down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring them both down, shoulder roll. Okay, so this one can be done with one or both balls. You're going to bring the arms up behind the head and tap the balls behind the shoulders. So we're going to lift up and take them back. So keeping those elbows as close to the head as you can. Let's go do one or both balls. Don't rush it. Last two. Bring the arms down. Shoulder roll. So shrug the shoulders up to the ears and let them drop. Shrug them up to the ears. Let them drop. Shrug them up to the ears. Let them drop. Shrug them up to the ears. Let them drop. Last one. Shrug them up to the ears. Let them drop. I'm going to come down to the mat now. I'm going to do a little bit of abs. So again, one ball or both. And again, the balls can be used to help or hinder the exercise, depending on how hard you want to make it. So nice and tall through the body. So if we keep the balls out in front and bring it down and keeping the balls there, bring it back up, that makes it easier. If you want to make it harder, you bring the weight in towards the body and keep it in towards the body as we do the exercise. And take it back and lift, bring it down. Other arm. you don't want to do this extension, that's fine. Just keep the weights wherever works for you. Keep it going. Keep breathing. Okay, one more each side. And bring it down, shoulder roll. Okay, so you're going to come down into bridge, relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears. So feet close into the body. Start with the arms are going to be above the head. Weights in the hands. Pushing those shoulders down into the mat. Lift the tailbone, lift the pelvis. Lift up as high as you can. Pause. Slowly bring it back down. That's option one. Option two, keep the arms there, then take them up and behind the head with the weights, or one weight. And then as you bring the hips down, bring it back up. Last three. Okay, so this time we're going to put one weight behind the right knee. So really squeeze. The other arm can come, the other arms can cut, the weight can come between the hands. Pushing into the left foot. We're going to lift up and bring the knee in and take it down. So lift and lower. And lift and lower. Keep squeezing so don't lose the ball. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change leg. So right foot comes down, left leg holds the ball. I'm going to lift up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the ball now comes back in the hands. So the legs come up to tabletop. Arms staying where they are. And we're gently going to tap one foot down to the floor and bring it back. And then the other. The further away you tap, the more your abs have got to work. To make it slightly harder, you can lift the body up. Option 2. Option 3, we take the arms and the weights 45 degrees from the floor. Keep breathing. And we're doing that for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the balls in, roll the knees in one direction and then the other. Okay, so we're going to do the combination of bridge and abs. So we're going to bring them up, push the feet into the floor, lift the hips, pause at the top, squeeze those glutes. You can cut them over the head if you want. And then as you bring the bum down, allow the spine to come down to the floor. As the hands start to point towards the knees, we lengthen the legs, lifting up and bringing it up. Gently bring it down, bend the knees. Ooh. Push into the floor, lift up into bridge. The arms come up, back comes down, legs straighten, lift up, keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. Keep it going. Two more. Bring it back up, shoulder roll. Okay, we're going to come back up to standing now just to finish off. Okay, so back up here, we're going to roll the shoulders back. So we're going to do either one ball or both. So whichever is your choice. Standing nice and tall through the body. Keeping both balls together if you've got two. We're going to bring them behind the left knee. Bend the knees slightly and sweep them up and over the right shoulder. Now make sure you're using the abs to keep the torso nice and strong. So for 2, 3, really reach. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it back to center. Shoulder roll. We're going to do the side. Balls come together. For 1, really reach and stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the arms down, shoulder roll. And that is your workout with the weighted balls. Well, I hope you enjoyed that Pilates session. I have many others for you to choose from. Why don't you pick one and give it a go?